Hello everybody, it's Brian Begley from enCloud9. It's another one in our short videos on how to work with data within Dynamics. If you like our video, give it a like, subscribe, or make a comment. With that said, let's get started. I have a view here of some leads that came into my CRM system, and I'm missing some data in a few fields. So for example, on this Ricardo Nielsen lead, I don't have a phone number. I don't have a source campaign. That's all important information. So I'm going to go into Excel Online, and I'm going to export this data out from Dynamics into Excel Online, and we're going to clean it up. So here we go. Let's get started. This is really easy to do. So I've made my view. I click on my three dots. I click on Export to Excel, and I choose the option called Excel Online. It opens up an Excel Online window. It looks like a typical spreadsheet. I'm going to copy, for example, let's say Ricardo. I know he came from our Google Ads campaign, so I'm just going to type Google Ads there. This second lead here, I'm going to add that it came from a referral. And then I want to clean up some phone number information here. So with Ricardo, we're going to give him a new business phone, and it's going to be 402. And then we're going to fix his mobile phone number. All right, we got that information in. We click on the Save button. And while this process is running, it's updating the data in Dynamics in the background. I can click on the Track Progress button. If I do that, a screen's going to pop up over my screen and let me track the process. Okay, everything came in successfully. There were no errors. If I go back and close this little pop-up here, I'm going to see my view. I'm going to give it a refresh. And there it is. There's my new business phone, my mobile phone, my source campaign. Hope you learned something today. Let me know any questions you have in the comments. Have a great one.